Hi, this is Jim Cramer with Jeff Marks for the home stretch. What's happened to this morning meeting? I got to tell you something. A lot of people feel the PPI number was very light. But some of it is what I can only describe as tremendously inconsistent trading.
It's been a pretty good week, almost 2% in the S&P. You mentioned JP Morgan, back and forth all day, off the highs in the early morning. Wells Fargo down 3%. I thought the conference call was pretty good. Common Equity, they're getting there. Charlie's doing a great job. Yeah.
Yeah, I mean, look, Charlie, every quarter I would be out there on walking the street saying, oh, but there is one disappointment, and the disappointment's Wells Fargo. And that's because they would set their guidance at the beginning of the year and then miss it. And now I think they're changing the pattern.
Still a restructuring story, and it's more progress.
Yeah, and he's buying as much stock back as Jamie Dimon is. I mean, it really is just a very inexpensive situation. I really like the way you're framing that.
And that's why I like Morgan Stanley. Now, we'll have to see what they say next Tuesday. Obviously, the last quarter wasn't so good. But I think the setup, I think the setup this year for Morgan Stanley, based on the reasons I just mentioned, capital markets activity improving. There was a nice story in Bloomberg talking about Zuckerberg focusing more on AI than the metaverse. I like that.
So it kind of interprets what you might do. So, I mean, Meta may be finished, but I got to tell you, these sunglasses, they're going to be the rage for anyone who wants to do Insta. They're Insta heaven.
You can see pictures online of just lines and lines. And by the way, that's $15 special dividend that paid to shareholders today of record. Always nice to get that extra boost in income from that special div.
But anyway, this is Jim Cramer and Jeff Marks for the home stretch, and we will talk to you on Tuesday. Thank you.